Introduction of Surah Bakra. The Madinas idolate and associate concept the Jews as intellectual superior to themselves. The arrival of the Prophet and his followers changed the status quo in Medina. The idolaters embraced the new faith in large number, and in a short time, Muslims become a force to cunning with. Now, the need of arts was to promulgate to legal, social, economic, and political codes necessary to organize the emerging community into a righteous, trained, and strong motives nations capable of spreading message of Allah to the four concern of world. Most of these codes for the organizations of an ideal Muslim society were proclaimed in this surah. The Makkah Surah called upon Muslims to force the torment inflicted upon them by the idolate with patience, but now when the Muslims become an organized community, they are allowed relation, rate, and wages and wages jihad against their enemies and persecute. They are told that they need not fear the evident superiority of their enemy in man and army, for success depend on the strength of truth, faith in Allah supported. Allah supported. Allah promises them His help in their struggle against falsehood that as champions and as assures them of ultimate victory in they keep their uh, commitment to the guidance of Allah.